there, this is Awesome Kids Toys, and look what we've got today. We've got the limited edition Jojo Siwa Hairdorables. We can live our dreams with this limited edition. We've got 10 surprises inside. What does it say here? Hello, influencers. Noah here, and I want you to meet the new addition to our squad, Jojo Siwa. She's the sweetest and bestest friend anyone could dream of. Even though she's crazy busy touring the world, living the ultimate dream life, she always makes time to talk with her Siwanators, hang with her besties, and post awesome videos on her channel. Check out the Hairdorables channels on YouTube. We're gonna get her out. Let's get out this little thing. Look at Jojo. She looks adorable. Wait, let me get out this my bag. Okay. Look at Jojo. She looks adorable. She has pretty blue eyes with a very big smile. She has the cutest. She has a green shirt with a jacket. It's white and it has pink ruffles and it's glittery. She has a heart skirt. And she has blonde hair pulled into a big side pony with 4 different colors. Let's open blind bags. Let's get her dressed. Anything here? We've got her bow. Oh, and we've got a sticker of her dog. Let's see what this card says. Oh, it doesn't say what quantity there is. Oh, but limited edition Jojo Siwa. We got a big, super big clip-on bow. I don't know if it's supposed to, but I believe it's supposed to. Let's clip that in your hair, Jojo. Yeah! Okay, we've got our bow in. Oh, there's something in here. Oh, she's got her shoes and a stick and a sticker of a bow, some stars and hearts. Let's get Jojo in his shoes. I got it in. Okay, the next blind bag. Have in here. Oh, we've got a picture. I believe it's a picture, yeah. That says chill out with Jojo. We've got a sticker of some emojis, and we got some sunglasses or just regular glasses. Let's put them on Jojo. She looks adorable right now. We have another sticker of Jojo, and we have a microphone. Let's put on the microphone. Now she can sing. Okay, what's in here? Another microphone? What? And we got another sticker of Jojo herself. Was this supposed to happen? 2 microphones? What was the box supposed to come with? Yeah, it accidentally came with 2 microphones. Man, now she can, wow. Okay, let's move all of this aside, this nonsense. Get the num 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 num. Hi, I'm Jojo Siwa. Look, yeah. Now let's move to our Series 3 Hairdorables. 39 to collect, 11 surprises inside. We can color, crimp, and curl. What does it say here? Hey influencers, the hashtag Hairdorables are ready to reveal all new looks. We've all had fabulous makeovers, but need your help styling our hair to make us look flawless. Color, crimp, and curl our amazing new hair to create the best looks of your own. Hashtag best hair day ever. Don't forget to check out the Hairdorables channel on YouTube. Let's get off the plastic. There. Woo! Wow, they opened it. Come on, plastic. Come on. Okay, we got plastic. Okay, let's get it off. Let's get this. There we go. Pull off the plastic. Now, pull. Let's pull. can also tear this part if we want, so I'll do that. Now oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, we got the camp style. Oh, sorry. With the pop-out feature. Campfire and some logs and marshmallows. Jojo, move your phone. Like this. Okay, we got a collector's poster. So there's signature, outdoor fun, dance party, and slumber party themes. There's an ultra gnarly Brit and a rare sensational Skylar. Let's open one. I'm not gonna open the blind bag just yet. 2, 3, 4. Ooh, kind of tore the box. Now let's move the background. Let's put it over here. And open up the blind bags in a snap. Wow, they opened it up in a snap. Look what we've got. We've got an umbrella. We've got a hair extension that is adorable. Wow. We've got some stickers. We've got shoes and a curler. Now let's get back to this. Stop! Open me last. Okay. Oh no, the Velcro piece. It's okay. We can oh no, I broke the background. It's okay. Let's quickly remove this to get our doll stand because we do. Ooh, it's gonna probably be rain. Here's our doll stand. Let's put the background away, actually. Let's see what's in here. It's rain. I knew it. Bedtime routine. Reading a good book. Favorite flower, sunflower. Signature dance move, the sprinkler. So here we've got Rain. She has purple eyebrows, big blue eyes, happy smile, purple hair with blue, yellow, and red. She's got a raincoat with clouds and a rainbow and red leggings. Let's see who we got on the guide. Wait, where is the guide? Oh, yeah. Let's see who we've got. It's definitely one from the outdoor. We've got Raincoat, and she's a curler style. Let's put her on the doll stand. Actually, she doesn't have shoes. Let's actually curl up her hair a little. Curl up her hair extension. Clip it on. Let's clip it on this lock of hair. Ooh, I'm sorry for not showing. Then we grab a curler. Wait, let's put it on the doll stand. For a curl. Actually, it's not that good of a curl, but I can redo it. Let's separate it actually. Grab the curler. Ooh. Rain, why are you not standing and your hair clip is falling out? Gee, thanks. Wow, Rain. Let's get that hair extension off. So we then grab it, wrap it around a few times, pull it down, then press, then we let go to make a pretty curl. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Let's put it in. This is Awesome Kids Toys. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.